Off-road vehicles are engineered to handle rough surfaces, steep inclines, and adverse weather conditions. These vehicles are equipped with specialized systems and components to ensure their performance under extreme conditions. Of all the vehicle systems, the steering and suspension systems are arguably the most crucial, as they determine the vehicle's ability to navigate and adapt to varying terrains. In off-road vehicles, the steering and suspension systems are designed to be more robust and adaptable to handle a wider range of terrains and conditions. The steering system must be responsive and precise, enabling the driver to navigate around obstacles and negotiate tight turns. The suspension system, on the other hand, must be resilient and flexible, absorbing the impact from rough terrains and maintaining vehicle stability. The effectiveness of these systems is determined by components such as the steering wheel, steering column, steering gear, suspension, springs, shock absorbers, and control arms, among other things. How these components are designed, configured, and maintained can greatly influence the vehicle's off-road performance. One of the primary challenges is the diversity of terrains, from muddy trails and steep rocky inclines to sandy dunes and river crossings. Each terrain presents its unique obstacles and requires different handling strategies. The steering system needs to provide the driver with precise control and feedback, while the suspension system needs to absorb shocks and maintain vehicle stability. Another challenge is the increased likelihood of component damage due to the rough nature of off-road terrains. Rocks, branches, and other debris can potentially damage the steering and suspension components. Therefore, these systems have to be robustly built and protected to withstand the harsh off-road conditions. Articulation is a key feature in off-road vehicles, particularly in the context of the suspension system. It refers to the vehicle's ability to keep the wheels in contact with the ground while navigating uneven terrains. A high degree of articulation allows the vehicle to maintain traction and stability even when some wheels are elevated due to the terrain's irregularities. The importance of articulation cannot be overstated, especially when navigating rocky terrains or steep inclines. Without proper articulation, the vehicle could lose traction or tip over, leading to dangerous situations. Ground clearance is another crucial factor in off-road vehicle performance. It refers to the distance between the vehicle's lowest point and the ground. A higher ground clearance allows the vehicle to traverse over larger obstacles without damaging the undercarriage. Ground clearance plays a critical role in protecting the vehicle's steering and suspension systems. It prevents these systems from colliding with rocks, logs, and other obstacles, ensuring their longevity and optimal performance. Longer and more robust suspension springs and shock absorbers allow the vehicle to absorb larger shocks and maintain stability on rough terrains. Adjustable control arms enable the vehicle to achieve a higher degree of articulation, and sway bar disconnects allow for greater flexibility and mobility in the suspension system. A more responsive steering gear provides the driver with better control and feedback, improving the vehicle's maneuverability. Beefing up the steering linkage increases the system's robustness, protecting it from potential damage. Hydraulic steering assist reduces the effort required to steer the vehicle, particularly helpful when navigating tight turns and obstacles. If your customer is upgrading their vehicle for off-road conditions, consider recommending protective skid plates to shield the vehicle's undercarriage. Other potential upgrades include larger and more durable tires and equipping the vehicle with a winch for recovery situations. Thanks for watching.